Welcome to our class, and let the story begin. This is the story about our class, the wonderful, smart, and intelligent class. It has 31 people with 31 different characteristics, but they are all so lovely. They are lovely when they are studying, when they are working, when they are drinking, when they are singing, and even when they are sleeping. Let's get back to 4 years ago when we sat together in a class for the first time. Everything at that time with us was so strange, so brand new, and seemingly a little bit dangerous. But we incredibly became closer, and we became a real class very fast. Then we shared a great time together over 4 years. Every lesson in class was always full of energy, fun, and laughter. We had some unforgettable trips with memories about a friend of ours who was sick at midnight, and we drank until 2 a.m. It was really funny. And we also lived together 1 month in Bangkok, although some friends were stung by insects. And that is the most beautiful time we shared together. Now we all officially graduated from university, and it's time to say goodbye, but I really don't want to say it. Wish you guys find a good job and fulfill your dreams. Wherever you are, we will still be a family.